Hi guys, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can connect Stripe with Shopify. Now Stripe is the best option for people who don't have Shopify payments like available in their own country. Like Stripe is like the best payment provider compared to other providers. Okay, so that's if you don't have Shopify payments available in your country. Okay, in your Shopify, like you will not see, you cannot like use Shopify payments. Then the second option is going to be Stripe, of course, which is like the best one. Now I'm going to be showing you how you can add Stripe to Shopify. First, before we start, I would highly appreciate if you can drop a like on this video. Let's get started right now. Now first you want to just log in into your Shopify dashboard. As you can see, just log in into your Shopify. After that, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then what you guys need to do, you want to click on payments. Alright, now if you have like Shopify payments here in the top, if you have it in the top, then where you can find Stripe is here where it says supported payment methods or payment methods that are available with one of Shopify's approved payment providers. Now just to click on add a payment method, and here you want to search by a provider and search for Stripe. Okay guys, so after you search guys for Stripe, I'm going to search for it again. As you can see, it's searching here for Stripe. I'm going to search for, okay, so it's not available here. Now if you have like Shopify payments here, you will find it here. But if you don't have Shopify payments, you will find here in the top where it says payment providers, you will find it here. It says choose a provider. Again, just search here for Stripe. As you can see, you can now click on Stripe and start connecting Stripe to your Shopify store. Now keep in mind that if it says something like not available in your country, that means Stripe is not available in your country. Okay, so you will have to create LLC in the United States in order to add your information to Stripe so that it can accept you. Okay, now if it says available in your country, just click on it and then add here your Stripe email address and then click on submit and then hit the password, click on submit. That's it. You want to just enter here the verification code and that's it. Okay, that's exactly guys how you can connect, and then click on connect, and then you have successfully connected Stripe with your Shopify. Now you can start receiving your payments to Stripe. Okay, so if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Like if you have like any questions, you don't understand anything, just let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next video.